Creditfixrr Professional Suite Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the products and tools mentioned in this video are in the description below. If you're looking for a powerful platform to manage credit repair efficiently, Creditfixrr Professional Suite is a software solution designed primarily for credit repair businesses and professionals who want to automate disputes, organize client accounts, and streamline the entire credit repair workflow. Unlike traditional credit repair services that handle disputes for you, Creditfixrr focuses on providing the tools and infrastructure needed to run and manage credit repair operations at scale. One of the main features of Creditfixrr Professional Suite is its dispute automation system. The platform allows users to import credit reports, identify negative items such as late payments, collections, charge-offs, or hard inquiries, and generate customized dispute letters automatically. These letters follow commonly used credit dispute strategies and regulatory guidelines, helping users create professional documents without manually writing each dispute. Another key feature is the built-in client management system. Creditfixrr includes a centralized dashboard where users can organize credit reports, track dispute rounds, monitor responses from credit bureaus, and maintain a detailed history of each client's credit repair progress. This system is particularly useful for businesses handling multiple clients at once because it keeps everything organized and easy to access. Creditfixrr also offers workflow automation, which allows users to schedule dispute rounds, generate documents in bulk, and manage ongoing credit repair campaigns more efficiently. In addition, the platform often includes tools for business management, such as client onboarding features, communication tracking, and progress monitoring, which makes it more than just a dispute generator. In terms of strengths, Creditfixrr Professional Suite stands out for its scalability, automation capabilities, and structured workflow system. It is especially valuable for credit repair companies or consultants who want to handle many disputes while maintaining organization and consistency. However, there are also some limitations to consider. Creditfixrr is primarily software, not a credit repair service, which means users must still manage disputes themselves and communicate with credit bureaus or clients directly. The platform can also have a learning curve for beginners who are unfamiliar with the credit repair process. Additionally, like all legitimate credit repair tools, it cannot remove accurate negative information and cannot guarantee specific credit score improvements. Overall, Creditfixrr Professional Suite is a comprehensive credit repair management platform best suited for professionals and agencies who want advanced tools to automate disputes, manage clients, and operate a structured credit repair business efficiently.